Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday.
I'm Miranda from the Cherish Coaching Co. How are you? It's so exciting to be making a video for you guys today. It's going to be all about Linktree. But I'm Miranda again from the Cherish Coaching Co. I help new businesses and life coaches with content creation and coaching tips. All right, so today we're going to be talking about Linktree. I'm going to be sharing what I know about Linktree and how I use it. Okay, now, first of all, Linktree is a free tool that so many people use, especially with Instagram and Facebook as well, but so many people use it. So first of all, how do we actually get onto Linktree? All right, how do we get onto it? That's the question that I'm going to be starting to answer today as soon as I can share my screen, because for some reason it's not showing. Oh, yes, it is. Here we go. All right, so Linktree, this is my Linktree just here. When you want to sign up for Linktree, what you do is you go to linktree.com and you just click sign up, and as you would, you just sign up along. It would take you through the prompts and show you actually how to sign up for it. Now, as you can see, my lifetime analytics on this Linktree, now this is my one that I've had for 4 months, maybe 4 months. Okay, and it's already had 83 views, 37 clicks. Okay, I've only got it up on my Instagram account. Okay, and I've only got like 250 followers there on this particular account anyway. So it's really interesting to see how many clicks you get. Okay, just as an side note. But basically, what do you do when you start your Linktree? Now, just over here, I'll just show you around a little bit. Over here, we've got the this is what it looks like on your phone. Okay, so basically when you go to your Linktree on your phone, that's what it's going to look like. That's what mine looks like. You can see the different buttons that I've got there. Okay, let's have a little look. When you want to add a link, this is what you do. You go to add new link, surprisingly. Okay, so I'm going to add a new link today because I don't think I've got my Etsy shop up there. Okay, so I need to pop my Etsy shop on there because I just realized I've been sending people to it and there's no link there, which is really helpful. So here's what I'm going to be doing to add a new link. What I want to call it is the Cherish, I might just call it the Etsy shop. Okay, and the URL I've actually got just over here, so I'm just going to copy that and send it into here. Okay, so there you go. That's my Etsy shop URL. Now, this little bit here, this little button here basically says that link is actually available on here. So here it is. You can just see it's just popped up. It's really fast. It's just popped up. I'm actually going to not just have the Etsy shop. Checkout. Yeah, I might do checkout. My Etsy shop. For those of you who don't know, I've got an Etsy shop and I've got different printables and different templates up there that you can use for your online business. And I'm adding more all the time. Some of them are specifically for coaches, but some of them are just for online business people in general. Okay, and there's a social planner going to be going up there very shortly. So that's how you add a link on Linktree. Okay, now this is a bit of a different point. What people talk about is how many Linktree links should you have up there. Now, for me, at the moment, I've got way too many on there. Okay, so I'm going to, let me just think. I'm going to take away a couple of these. I might take away my booking one. I'll just talk to people in, one-on-one about that. I've got my Women in Business one there. I'm going to take away my upcoming Cherish Women's event in Geelong. That's in August. I'm just going to leave it off for just a little while there. So basically what I've got on there now, as you can see, is my Etsy shop at the top, how to be authentic as a coach or mentor ebook that you can grab, to join me on Facebook in my Women in Business content and business tips group, free online planner, and list of gorgeous templates, and to watch me on YouTube. Okay, so there you go. That's probably still too many links up there, but anyway, I'm going to leave that for now. This is basically how you use Linktree. Now, if you're, will we go into it? Yeah, if you want to change the appearance of it, okay, it's like anything else. You get a certain amount of things for free, and then you get a certain amount of things when you actually upgrade and start paying. Now, I have never paid for Linktree. I don't think I will ever worry about it. Okay, You can, you got to pick your own profile image, have a little bio. Okay, so my bio actually needs to change because that's what, I needed to change it around. I'll fix that in a minute, but I could just add, helping online business people and life coaches with, content creation and information and business tips. That's what I'm doing. Okay, so there you go. I'm not sure whether there's a save button. It doesn't seem to be a save button. Oh, I've got too many. So if you have too many, can you see just here? I've got too many characters. That's when I start adding ands in, right? Because then you've just saved yourself 5 or 6. Can you hear? Here we go. Helping online businesses and life coaches. There you go. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my links and that should come up on here. There it is. It was already up there, so that's great. All right, so there you go. That's what I've done with my Linktree. Now, it will take you 5 minutes or so, or maybe, 8 or 9 minutes to actually set up your Linktree account. Do it on a computer. It does not, my kids are loving it in there. It does not take long to set it up. It's well worth it. Now, you're already going to know a lot of the links that you've got. You might just have one link. You might have book a photography session. You might have check out my Etsy shop. You might have come to my Facebook group or come to my, whatever it is. Okay. But you might have, you're probably going to have more. If you've on a Linktree, you're probably going to want to have more links there. So basically this is what you do. Now, where do I get my link from? Here it is. Can you see right up here in the right-hand corner? That is my link. What I want to be doing is clicking share and you can just copy it. So that's what I do instead of, do anything else because I like to be able to control where I'm going to put it. Basically, you copy it. And if you are like me and you mainly work from Instagram, which I used to always work from Facebook, but now I work a lot from Instagram. So, and I have to change over because I've got 2 accounts, of course, because I am in fact a parenting and educator coach on the other one. So I've just got to do this. I think I'll forget about that. All right, we'll forget about that just for now. But anyway, what I do is I copy that and I paste it wherever I need to put my Linktree. What happens when people click on it? They get to, where am I? They get to just come to this to be able to see any of the links. All right, so there you go. There's my quick little video on how to do Linktree. If you want some more information about it, or if you want to talk to me about any of the stuff that I do, I'd love to chat to you. Okay, I've got a social session coming up very, very shortly. Okay, just check that out. I'll pop it in the group in a second, or I'll pop it in the description below. Okay, so there you go. If you're interested in asking me any questions about your content creation for your small business, especially if you're new to the game, if you want to ask me any questions about anything to do with online business, with online life coaching. Okay, I am an online coach and I've been doing it for a few years, so I've got a bit of an idea about how to do it. Okay, I'm not perfect, obviously, but have got some tips to share. Okay, so if you've got any questions to ask about this, then I would love to talk to you. Otherwise, I'm Miranda from the Cherish Coaching Co. Hope you're having a wonderful day. Drop something, okay? Let me know if you liked this. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe. If you're watching it in my Women in Business group, then please feel free to invite other people to the group. Otherwise, have a great day, guys. Bye.